Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to upload HD videos on TikTok. So the first thing you'll have to do is open the App Store and search for TikTok and make sure that you have the latest update of the app installed. So if you don't, just go forward and update the application to the latest version and then go to TikTok and open the app. So as you can see right here, I'm about to post a video, and at the bottom of the page right here I have this option which says allow high quality uploads, which means that I'm able to upload HD videos on TikTok. But if you don't have that option available, I'm going to show you how to enable that feature on your TikTok account. So let's go back to the feed section, and then I'm going to tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then at the top right corner I'm going to hit the icon with the three lines and then go to settings and privacy. Right here I'm going to scroll down and select the option report a problem right here, and I'm waiting for this page to load up. And then right here, as you can see, there are a bunch of topics that we can choose from, and I'm going to select account and profile. And here as you can see, again, there are a bunch of options that you can choose from. And you'll have to select this profile page and then hit other. Right here where it says is your problem solved, hit no and then select need more help. So this will bring us to a page where we can contact the TikTok team directly, and right here you'll have to type in something like hi, please enable the HD video feature for me. I would love to upload HD videos on TikTok for my followers. And if necessary, you can also upload a screenshot from your account, and then you'll have to submit the report. And after that, you'll have to wait for like a few days, and the TikTok team will reach back to you with a solution. So this is all for today, guys, and if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.